record right now. Sorry I didn't record anything, I've just been really busy over the past month or so. I haven't used Jinkly in a while, so I thought I'd use some. I have taken a little bit, but it seems to be taking longer than usual, so I'll have more. See if it does anything. But yeah, I thought I'd try and hold them back a bit and see how that went. Probably not great. Because of oh gosh, because of that. And because I haven't used it in a oh gosh, used it in a while. It seems to be quite powerful. Wow, I'm doing really well at this. But yeah, so gosh, this is so tickly. I forgot. Oh gosh, I forgot how tickly. How tickly it was, and how hard they had to hold back. Wow. Well. Oh. I apologise if that's a disappointment to anyone, but I will try and hold back from now. Gosh. Oh. It's so difficult, and I'm bad at holding back anyway. But oh. Take it. Oh gosh. Oh. I forgot how powerful this stuff was. I promise I'm trying not to sneeze, but it's not going well for me at the minute. I am giving it a good go though, even though it probably doesn't seem like it. Ooh. I keep going to say something here then. And then another sneeze seems to come in. Didn't seem to help not as much. So, gosh. I think that might be me done now. Maybe. Or not.